Guys, good morning and a very warm welcome to Intraday Trading Solutions. आपका बहुत स्वागत है Intraday Trading Solutions में. If you are a first time viewer of this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Please click the bell icon on the notification panel to stay updated on the videos that I am posting regularly. If you send me a screenshot of the subscription, if you subscribe and send me a screenshot, I will add you to the secret Telegram and WhatsApp groups where we can discuss a lot of strategies and a lot of information is shared in WhatsApp and Telegram platform as well. So guys, I've been asked to make videos on penny videos. A lot of people gave me one-on-one feedback asking to make penny stock videos so that they can benefit in the future. Guys, these are potential stocks which you can invest and forget for 2-3 years and make a lot of money. If you have some savings, instead of keeping them in the bank account, I would definitely recommend you guys to buy these penny stocks. This is for your information, but you need to do your background, you need to do your check before you invest in these stocks, but these are potential stocks that you can look at. So I am giving you a list of 31 stocks. They are divided between high volume stocks and moderate volume stocks. So I'm leaving a link for this list in the description box below. You can go and download the list and check out. I suggest you paper trade on these particular stocks before you get on to the live market. Like you can see, average prices are 43, 45, 44, 28, 39, 34. So basically these stocks are under 50 rupees. If you take an average, it is not more than 40 rupees per stock. So even if you buy 1000 stocks of them, if you are ready to invest 40,000 rupees, for example, on an average, if your investment is 40,000, if you buy 1000 stocks, at least 100 each of them, and keep it aside for 1 or 2 years, I'm very sure you're going to see good results. Some of them will give you good returns, some of them might not even kickstart. So it is all dependent on the company, the research that you are going to do, and the companies that are performing penny stocks. People have actually benefited a lot from penny stocks before. So let's look at moderate volume stocks. STL Global, KMC Specialty Hospital, Bhansali Engineering, Andhra Petrochemicals, Nalco, SPL Industries, Kriti Nutrients, BLS International. Likewise, there are list of 30 stocks which you can take a look at, and let me know if you have any doubts. Link is in the description. Go download this or go check out this link, and let me know if this is going to work with you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.